you skipped lunch today, this might look like the International House of Pancakes to you, but it's actually our U.S. Customs building. Below that Customs building, you can see 6-foot-high letters that read "On to Alaska with Buchanan." Now, this is not a political slogan. It was originally painted in the 1920s by young children who came up here on adventure trips. You see, there was a rich coal baron and philanthropist down in Detroit, Michigan. He wanted to make a difference in his community, so he started a program to teach children things like made it here to the White Pass Summit as far as we're going today. Looking out to your left, you can see just defrosting for our springtime, our Summit Lake. This is a glacial tarn or a ribbon lake. It's very long and thin. It goes for about 4.5 miles, but doesn't get much wider than you see here. It is, however, quite deep.